I think I'll explain. I'll start by order by clause. So the way we use order by clause is, let's say Mayank asked me that, Shubham, can you give me the salary of all the employees, and I would like to get their salary in the order such as from highest salary to low salary. Like I would like to get the list of employees in such a way where the first name of the employee should be of that employee who has the maximum salary, and last name of the employee should be of that employee which has the minimum salary. So in such cases, we use order by clause. And here with the where condition that you are able to see, I mean, we can implement a where condition while sorting as well. So let's say you want to see only top 10 such employees, like maximum salary and then only the 10 salary below that. You're not, you don't want to see all the employees and what is the minimum salary, because that we can do by using min and max clause, right? Min and max function that we have. So instead, let's say you just give me a filter condition, like let's say for a certain department you would like to see minimum and maximum salary, or for a certain number of people only. So that's how you can filter it. Further, then we have group by clause. Now let's say at the same time you ask me, Shivam, I would like to see the minimum and maximum salary of an employee within a department, but as well as I would like to see that what is the gross salary of the department. So let's say each department, there are 4 departments in our organization, and each department has 10 folks, and those 10 folks have different salaries. Now what you would like to know from me is, like, how much, like which is the department which is consuming maximum amount of salary. So let's say each department has 10 folks, but those 10 folks can have different salary, and then some of their those 10 people's salary could be like in one department it could be 1 CR, it could be 1.2 CR, 1.4 CR. So now you would like to know which department sums up to the maximum salary. So in such cases, we can do a group by department, and we can do a sum of salary. Makes sense, right?
Yeah, here also we can use order by, right? Let's suppose if you want to filter, sort the department by.
Yes, you can do that. No issues. You can, yeah, you're free to do that. Then we have having clause. This is the most important clause. So now, let's say, let me give you an example. You say that, Shubham, I would like to get, so there is a product, and there is a, let's say there is a department, and then there is people we are talking about, right? One department, 10 folks each. Now let's say there is one department where we are not sure how many people are there. Like it could be 8, it could be 9, it could be 1, it could be 100, anything. So now what you do is you say that, can you group by department and give me the number of employees in each department which have the number of employees greater than 10. Now you give me that condition that I would like to see only those department name which have number of employees in that particular department greater than 10, greater than 5, something like that. You put the condition. Okay. Now that kind of condition we cannot put in where clause. Reason being, where clause executes before group by. And now what you are asking me is first group by and then put a where clause, like group by department, and then check the let's say the count of employees within each department, which department has that count of employee greater than 5, greater than 10. So at that particular point of time with group by, if you want to put a where clause, we have something called having condition, having clause. Okay. Let me explain you with an example. So if you will see here, there is product category ID and then there is product ID, correct?
Yeah.
Now, one product category ID can have more than one product, correct?
Sorry.
One product category ID can have more than one product, correct?
Yeah, right.
Now, let's say we do this. Group by product category ID, and you want me to show you count of product ID with respect to each product category ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you want me to order it by the highest with highest. Let's say I'll take it as PR num. Order by PR num such that highest is first and lowest is last. So I'll make it descending. So there are the in two ways you can order by, either ascending or descending. By default, if you do not write DESC, it is ascending. So if you either you can write ASC or you cannot write anything. It means the same thing. It by default it takes ascending order. But if you want to explicitly mention descending, then you need to write DESC.
Okay.
Okay. So now if you will see that product category ID 6 has 43 products. Now let's make it more complex. Can you tell me, are these distinct product IDs or common product IDs, or what is it?
No, it's not distinct.
It's not distinct. Okay, let's check if it is distinct or not. Where let's take product category ID equals to 6. Okay. And we are interested in product IDs, distinct product IDs, correct?
Yeah.
Now, when we execute this, we get 43 occurrences, and we were getting 43 as the number, right?
Right.
Now let's take, are these distinct or not, correct? So these are distinct.
Okay.
Okay. How we can verify that? So these are 43. Now, when I do a count of distinct product IDs, we are still going to get product category ID 6 and PR num would be 43. We can verify. Make sense?
Yeah. Or we can add one more column for the testing.
Yes, correct. I can even show you that also. No worries.
So just to verify.
Yeah, correct. So we can do a count product ID as PR num, and we can take this one as distinct PR num, correct?
Yeah.
And now let's check what is the number. So PR num and distinct PR num is same. Okay, but now you're saying that I would like to get only those where PR num and distinct PR num are not equal. I think that would be a little more advanced, and we will not get any results since they are all same in this particular case.
Yeah, I think count won't give the distinct, right?
No. You need to add distinct count. Okay. When you write it this way, count of distinct product IDs, then it will give you distinct. Okay. I think I hope this is clear, right? Group by clause, order by clause, and now actually having. Okay, let me show you having also. So in this particular case, you said like I want to see only those product category IDs which has product IDs more than 10. Okay. What I'll do is having count of product ID greater than 10. Now what will happen is okay, we need to remove this.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Pro PR num, right?
No, so
Okay.
we'll take shortcut. I was not actually including aggregate function. Now, yeah, what you told me was, what if give me only those product category IDs which has the PR num greater than 10. So now I have used this having clause, having count of product ID greater than 10. So it is giving us only those product category IDs which have PR num greater than 10.
Mhm.
Okay. So it works as a where clause, but with a group by. Without group by, you cannot use having.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah. Yeah. So generally, this is, I think, the common question which people ask in interview, right?
Yes.
Having and where was the difference?
Yes. Yes. Correct. So you can think of it as where having is where with group by,
Mhm.
but with a aggregate function arithmetic operation, which we have written here as well.
Mhm.
Arithmetic function condition.
Yeah.
So this is assignment you can do this particular time. In this particular assignment, what you need to do is you need to create an employee table. You need to display it. Then you need to showcase city-wise count of employees arranged in descending order. Details of the employees who does not have an account on Yahoo domain. And then from the salary table, you need to display designation-wise total cost and number of members arranged in descending order of the total cost.
Okay.
I mean, is there any other previous assignment you would like to discuss that you were not able to complete, or you have attempted and you're facing any issues? Would you like us to discuss any other assignment first, or should we go ahead with the session?
Actually, I have not attempted the assignments. So maybe.
I would recommend you say, like, since
Yeah.
the
Yeah. This.
assignments are piling up, this is the fourth assignment. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
do this particular time. Pratiksha, do you have any issues in any of the assignments or anything at all?
Actually, I haven't go through assignment. Actually, I have some laptop issues, and that
Okay.
company laptop has don't any access for external download. So that's why.
No, I completely understand.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Just in case, I mean, just try to go through this some open source data set which are available online, and some open source.
Yeah. Yes,
So I
yes,
think
sure.
yeah, that would also suffice. At the end, we would like to ensure that we get the concept.